look at the ambition here. He wants to just mate him with e5. मतलब nothing less, nothing more. Check दो भाई, check दो.
Oh, that hurts. That hurts. That hurts.
भाई वो कोई तो WWE में वो एक कुछ तो एक शॉट रहता है ना, लो ब्लो या कुछ तो ऐसे.
Ah.
You fell for it.
Bro, yeah, this hurts. Can I play one game and redeem myself?
Yeah, for sure. But again, bhai, there's nothing to redeem. Just
No, no.
play with the same
I am on
mindset.
tilt. I am on tilt, Abhi, bhai. Let
Bhai,
me now play
don't
like
want
crazy
it.
game.
Bhai.
Bhai, crazy game. Crazy
Bhai,
game.
don't play. No. Bhai, overcome this. भाई एक मिनट वेट, एक सेकंड सिर्फ. शुरू हुआ क्या गेम?
आधा मिड गेम हो गया अभी.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
अभी तो पैन ऑफ में ही है. अभी तो हाँ, बताओ तो.
नहीं, आप जाओ.
आप बता दो.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि डोंट लेट दिस गेम इम्पैक्ट योर
भाई
सेल्फ.
जीत गया था यार.
भाई ठीक है ना, यही तो चीज आप सारे प्लेयर यही सोचते हैं कैंडिडेट्स में भी. विनिंग पोजीशन जब जाता है तो यू नीड टू कम आउट ऑफ दिस थॉट दैट आई वाज विनिंग.
ओके भाई.
भूल जाओ भाई, फॉरगेट इट.
ओके भाई.
एंड प्ले दिस एज अ फ्रेश गेम. फ्रेश.
Yes, sir.
पूरा. Let's see if somebody can let this.
इतना अच्छा वो उसने मेरे को
See, this is
ओपनिंग
this.
से
This
मैंने
is the
कैसे
thing.
इक्वलाइज किया था, विनिंग भी ला दिया था भाई.
This is the thing, guys. ये वाला चीज जो मैं नोटिस कर रहा हूँ ना समय में, it's the common pattern you will see amidst all players of all levels,
I
right
was just nervous
from
playing with him because from opening only he played such crazy chess. I was not anticipating.
right from someone who is a beginner to someone who becomes a super GM. This sort of regret, and I don't know if it is possible to get rid of it. Like that person would become a super player. By the way, great chess by Samay. He's pinning something. देखो पहले पिन किया इसको, पिन उसने खुद ही पिन करवाया, फिर नाइट लाया उस पे अटैक, फिर क्वीन लाया. सो एक्सलेंट चेस. एंड बाय द वे रुक c8 इज अ वेरी कॉमन मूव which I believe would be a big mistake because of, let's see in the chat if there are some. Samay looks funny when he plays serious chess. Is messy. Okay, 97. Now I would go g4. This is a moment where you say to yourself that okay, h4, let's go. g4, h4, h5, let's push. Let's start pushing. Yes, queen a7, very good, very nice, strong as in the chat. If he would have gone here, rook c8, there was queen takes pawn. यहाँ पे knight नहीं मार सकता है, pin है. So remember this idea. Nice move. I love this move, by the way. Much better than my g4 idea. Wow, Samay, fantastic. Because now threat is knight g6, attacking the queen and picking up the rook. Mihir Khadilkar. Sagar bhai, I'm around 800 and in my games I just play with my pieces in mid game and rarely play pawn. Any suggestion on? भाई तो करो ना pawn moves. ऐसे क्या कर रहे हो? a6. Okay, this is hardcore calculation. Firstly, what happens if I take here? Let's think about it. I take here. You can't take this because rook is hanging. You can't take this because queen is hanging. You have to take the bishop. Still classy chess, huh? Samay, classy chess. I was trying to calculate all things like take here, knight g6, knight f7, but knight c6 may be the best. Knight c6, queen f4, and where to give the disco is the question. Maybe knight e5 back, check. I think that would have worked brilliantly. King d8, knight f7. ab5 is still not possible, queen a8. But he castled. ठीक है.
The opponent must be so irritated with this position right now, right? I think he'll just resign.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Position for black.
It's a fantastic
Nothing
position. So you see, most of the players get back into the groove, like from regret they come out only when they start winning their next game. By the way, this is a terrible move according to the engines, but for human it seems like a decent move. Because he's not really threatening to take anything right now because of this rook here, so you still have time. And I think the move is knight c4, guys. Look at this move. If somebody finds it, knight c4, attacking the queen. Queen moves, knight d6 check, and win this. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's see if somebody finds it. Beautiful chess. It's also nice. Actually, the first move that crossed my mind was d5. I mean, maybe the engines hate it, but humanly very interesting. He wants to deflect the knight so that he can take here. But pawn takes, so kya idea hai? I don't know. I think he's just playing through intuition, this move, d5. He thinks pawn takes, knight takes. Not so sure. Not so sure. Kya plan hai? Sagar, you're doing what no one would. Yeah, Priyansh, I'm careful. Such passion for chess. I look up to you. Also, Amruta and you are made for each other. Base India for the win. Arey Priyansh, thank you. Thank you. That's very kind of you. सूर्य सागर भाई, अगर ओपनिंग का रट्टा ना लगाकर सर प्रिंसिपल्स फॉलो करने लाइक डेवलिंग माइनर पीस देन मेजर कैसल इज इट ओके? यस सूर्य, वेरी मच सो, वेरी मच. You should think about it that way. Managers, so think openings like this long term. जैसे अपने को अपने पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं ना कि अच्छा खाना खाओ, ठीक है, लॉन्ग टर्म में अच्छा रहेगा सेहत के. वैसे ही ओपनिंग्स ट्रैप्स आर लाइक फास्ट फूड. आप खाओ, आपको मजा आएगा, यू विल गेट द हाई, but at some point you will start feeling your health will suffer. But if you eat like dal bhat, it's like principles normal. You may not play best chess or something, but long term you have much more scope for improving faster. Sagar bhai, thank you for covering candidates for us. Also wanted to say that you inspire me a lot as I'm doing CA plus learning chess. Manager saying all the best for it. I'm sure you will crack it. Just go for it. Sagar bhai asked me to play Untitled Tuesday now. Arey bhai, Rahul Ghoshal ji, is there some what free piece? One second. What if firstly question is pawn takes, he wants to take this. Okay, not so clear. But if I take with the bishop, he wants to take with the pawn. Not so simple. Engine simply goes like all the way up. Engine simply was like, अरे भाई कर क्या रहा है तू? कर क्या रहा है? Let's think a bit. I think the solution lies. Oh, not easy, guys. Pawn takes, bishop mara, knight takes.
I mean, the most
Yeah.
obvious way is to go bishop c6.
No, not
and
bishop.
then
I think
extend
obvious is
down
d
and
takes
you have
c6,
so many threats, but
a b, knight b5. I
want
think
to
this
redeem
is a
myself.
beautiful.
Knight c4. d6, d7
Oh, knight
check
c4
also
still
coming.
works.
d6, d7
Knight
check. If he goes king d8,
Oh, this is
there
again
has to
somebody
be a
thinking.
queen
Somebody
a.
thinking.
There has to be a.
भाई this is the
mate
winning
there.
move. Somebody found it. Knight c4, knight d6. क्योंकि अब रुक भी इधर आ रहा है. हाँ. Yes, Alex Martin, you're right. Knight c4 is the move. नहीं भाई, ये actually this is winning. D takes c6, a b, knight b5. I think it should win. But the best is knight c4. Hit the queen and check here. Manas Kumar bhai, I'm stuck at
There is
900
something
for a year.
beautiful
What
here,
to do?
Sagar bhai, that I'm missing.
No, just knight c4, Samay bhai. Just play this. By the
Bishop
way,
e3 maybe.
I must tell you guys, all those who are stuck
Bishop
at some
e3.
rating, ठीक है? कोई rating
Bishop
पे.
e3, queen a5.
Bishop e3, queen a5
Check.
is a blunder,
Bishop
na bhai.
takes
You can take
c6.
because this is pinned. So
Knight takes back.
bishop e3, I was worried of queen c7
Queen takes,
maybe.
knight takes, nothing there. Or is it?
Let's see if somebody finds this because it's like उसको ये आइडिया दिखा था, फिर वो भटक गया. ठीक है, ये अच्छा दोस्त है, वो जिंदगी में अच्छी चीजें लाएगा. फिर थोड़े और अट्रैक्टिव दोस्त आ गए. अब पुराने दोस्त के पास जाएगा कि नहीं वापस? लग नहीं रहा है दोस्तों, लग नहीं रहा है कि वो जाएगा. उसके माइंड में अभी सोच है कि मैं ये मारू करूं, बिशप को वापस लूं, पॉन पुश करूं. एक्चुअली पॉन पुश इज नॉट सच अ बैड थिंग. या लाइक पॉन बिशप टेक्स d7, king d8, take this and then take this. This should win. This should win. So d6 is a very, very nice idea. I like it a lot. Found it. Well done. Well done. So I was saying that if someone is stuck at any rating in chess, कोई भी rating पे, think of it this way, that chess board gives an opportunity for everyone to improve. ठीक है? Equal opportunity. Just like life. However, some people get stuck on it and the reason for different people is different. By the way, check aa raha hai samay. So don't even think about trapping. Just take this guy. So different people get stuck for different reasons in chess. And if you are able to identify that reason and solve that problem, it will help you to do that in your life as well. This is my feeling. This is my feeling. It's not necessary. There are many people who keep improving at chess but never really are able to solve anything in their life, because chess, they are very good at improving at chess, but nothing. But for those people who kind of think about it, it's like a problem statement. Ooh, queen c5. Now he's just playing with fire. Yeah, exactly. He's getting, I think he's getting queen trap. Is it? Samay, careful. I think this is going to become something truly special, this game. I get this feeling. Bishop e3, beautiful move, by the way. ab5, what's your idea, Samay? Because if you take here, then take it. Okay, don't panic. Don't panic. Bishop se mat marna. Take with the knight. Take with the knight. Takes. भाई मेट बहुत सुंदर मेट होने वाला किधर. ये knight check. King d7. Good job, Samay. Good job. You're playing brilliantly. Playing like, guys, he's playing this amazingly well. ठीक है अभी. We cannot even. I'm also thinking with him. It's not like I can see through it. So queen b4 and queen d5.
Sagar bhai.
Yes.
Queen b4.
Yeah.
Knight d6.
Which one? This one maybe, or this one. Either of them.
d8.
Okay.
Queen a5, knight a5, bishop b6.
I think d7 square है. d7, by the way, उसको queen sack करना ही है. Careful there. Careful. Big shout out. अरे भाई ये कौन सा इंस्टीट्यूट? थाने इंस्टीट्यूट. भाई. Michael Scott, very deep. Okay. Michael Scott, find this. Now this is more deep than your super chat, which was okay. You just find.
Rook d1 is over, no? Sagar bhai?
समय is like सोचना भी नहीं है, just एक रूक को ले. भाई, if he plays rook d1, it's like pure, he's into chess really in a big way. Because, okay, natural is to think about these forks, checks. Yes, beautiful. Love it. Love it. Great chess. Okay, opponent played poorly, orbital जो भी है, but Samay is played brilliantly. Because now what will happen is, when he'll go in with this check, the king is kind of boxed in, has to come. ये रुक का सामना करना पड़ेगा. हाँ, बिशप ला रहा है वो बीच में. But ये पिन काफी बुरा पिन है. Like, I understand it's desperation time for him. For Samay, I think it's a question whether to give this check, but don't go knight b6 because of queen b5. Yeah, we need to be careful still. Knight d6 might be also good. निखिल बैसा ने व्लॉग्स बोल रहे जस्ट ऑफिस से आया. भाई इतना लेट तक काम क्यों कर रहे हो? इतना. Opponent is still resisting because king d7, not d8. d8 से तो ये मरेगा. King d7 And then the point is, if you go here, he can take to b5. So, oh no, he can't take on b5. Oh, he couldn't. He couldn't. Because then after take, it's a pin here. Ooh. रक्षित सिंह बोल रहा है जस्ट वोक अप भाई, टैक्टिक्स ट्रेनर पे काम कर रहा हूँ भाई रक्षित भाई. Guys, there are two people, Rakshit and Harsh, who have been helping us with tactics trainer on Chess Ranga. By the way, Maro isko. And it's going to be epic when it will finish. What? Oh my goodness, this is Samay in his prime. Take, he'll bring the other rook. Love it, bye, love it. Yes. Sagar bhai, can we donate to help chess even now? Very smart super chat. Very smart. Very smart. Because in his name was the trap, not in the message. Oh, by the way, why? What? Equal? How can this be? I thought this was brilliant chess. Why is this gone down to equal? No, I can't believe it. I thought this is brilliant. What is the tricky move
Less
here?
time also. 1 minute,
I don't
18
know.
seconds, that's all.
Maybe it's queen takes d1, queen takes d1, knight d5 maybe. Maybe so that the queen is blocked and then bishop is taking this knight. Knight has to retreat, and if you count the pieces at the end, he will have two rooks. He will have a queen. Both sides have three pieces. Wow. Wow. This is insane. Oh, but this was not the defense. I can't believe. What is the defense then? Oh my goodness. What is the defense? What is the defense? This is winning for white. This is winning for white. Okay, knight e4. Just knight f7. Yeah, exactly. Sorry. Knight takes here. Guys, what was the defense? चिराग गुप्ता बोल रहे सागर भाई मेरा मन नहीं घर जाने का. भाई चिराग भाई किधर हो आप? और क्यों नहीं है मन? गो. अगर आप No, this is brilliant. I can't even. Oh, rook 8 was the move. What? Rook 8. Oh, insane. Insane. Guys, this is just crazy. Okay, by the way, check de do. Samay, now you're winning for sure. Check. Oh, nice check from here. No, this game is epic. Let's look at if I can't take on h7 yet because of rook g7 and then my knight would hang. So I would go back queen f3 check. This is the best. And that's finished. Queen f3 is just too strong. So my backward move. King here, mate. King here, knight f6 check and pick up the rook. Yes, yes. Epic. Checkmate, bhai, checkmate. Checkmate, छोड़ना मत भाई, छोड़ना मत.
Sagar bhai!